be sharing some mistakes you should avoid as a beginner in dropshipping. See, some customers will embarrass you. Some customers will disgrace you if you don't know your way around these things. So today I'll be sharing some mistakes you should avoid in dropshipping business, and those things you should likewise do in dropshipping. So if this might interest you, you don't want to go anywhere. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Funmike. You're welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support thus far. Thank you so much. And if you're new on this channel, if this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Funmike. I create content on business ideas, do-it-yourself tutorials and food. Thank you so much for stopping by. Why not join my team today by subscribing and also turning on the notification bell so you don't miss out on new upload. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed today's section. In dropshipping, some customers will disgrace you if you're not careful. So today I was sharing some mistakes I made that you shouldn't make. It's my 4 years of dropshipping already. So some of us have gone through those mistakes. You shouldn't make them. So if this might interest you, do not go anywhere. Stay tuned. If this is your first time on this channel, you might need to see the videos, the previous videos I made about dropshipping. The link to those videos will be up here or up here. Yeah, they'll be up here or up here. So check them out to have a full understanding of how dropshipping works. So the first one I'll be talking about is number one, have a solid refund policy. If you've watched the previous two videos I made on dropshipping, you would always see that I'm always emphasizing on asking suppliers or importers of their refund policies. Most importers or most suppliers do not refund. Get that straight. Most importers and suppliers, in short, 90% of importers and suppliers do not do refunds. The only thing they do is exchange, and that must be within 24 hours after delivery is made. We have to notify them. If there will be an exchange, you have to notify them within 24 hours of delivery. So after asking for their refund policies, go to all your social media platforms, your Facebook business page, your Instagram business page, your website, your WhatsApp bio, and go and add it there that you don't do refund, only exchange, and it has to be within 24 hours. You don't want to be at the mercy of customer. So I've had to refund customers about 3 times in my early days of dropshipping. You don't want to be in that mess. What if you don't have extra money? What if you're out of job? How would you do that? Because the importers refused refunding me. They only said exchange, and these are even items that they are not even something I use. They are not even my size. I think it was dress at some point and bag. I had to start looking for customers to get those goods. And the bags, I had to start using bags that I didn't budget for. Yes, because I didn't want issues. And my mistake then was that I didn't add it to my bio on my Instagram, on my Facebook, and my WhatsApp bio that I don't do refunds. So now, in short, now, you might even need to pause this video. Go back to your Instagram, your Facebook, your WhatsApp bio, and add it there that you don't do refund. You only do exchange, and that has to be 24 hours. Go and do it. Like now, go and do it right away. And also for exchange, you need to be very, very careful. There's some customers that it is after 2-3 days, that's when they will come and meet you that they want to exchange or refund, and it is impossible. Most importers would not allow that. They only accept exchange within 24 hours of delivery. That is when they accept exchange. So what I do is I make sure I follow up with delivery. You don't send details to customers and go to sleep or you forget about it. You have to be on deck. All hands have to be on deck till the goods get to your customer. And after getting to your customer, you go back and follow up and ask them, thank you for your patronage. Have you checked? Have you tried it on? Have you seen it? What do you think about it? Your feedback immediately. Make sure you ask them for their feedback so you know if they are fine with the good, with the product or not. So when you ask for their feedback, you're very sure if it's a negative one or a positive one. So if it is a positive one, you're good. You thank them for their patronage and also put it in a message that you hope they come again or refer you with the product. Ask them what they want, since everybody knows you don't do refund. If they want an exchange, immediately ask for the exchange and go to the supplier. And if the fault is from you or the importers, either of you have to take responsibility for the delivery fee. So before you send your order to the importer to deliver, make sure that you get your details right from the customers. And if the fault is from the customer, they have to bear the delivery fee themselves. You don't give refund because customers change their minds after delivery. It is not done anywhere. So now go to your bios and add there that you don't do refund, you only do exchange. Do not make the mistakes I made in my early days. That is the purpose of sharing this video. Tell them, always let them know that you do not do a refund, because most of the suppliers do not do refund, they only do exchange, and that's to be within 24 hours of delivery. So please avoid that mistake. You don't want to be caught in that web. If you do not take refund policy serious, you will lose money in dropshipping. There is no two ways about it. If you don't take refund policy seriously, you will lose your money in dropshipping. You will lose money real good in dropshipping. Always put up your refund and exchange policies on all your social media platforms, be it your WhatsApp bio, be it Instagram, be it Facebook or website, so that customers won't come and tell you that you never informed them or pre-informed them about your refund policy. The second one I was talking about is creating your online store. Aside registering on Jumia, which I won't advise for newbies or for startup in dropshipping business, GG, and other selling and buying applications, I would advise or strongly recommend that you create your own online store, be it your Facebook business page, your Instagram business page, your WhatsApp for business, and your website. You need to have an online store. You're just building a brand, so it is very important for you to focus on driving traffic to your own store, which are those online platforms. You can learn how to create a website without coding from Techie Brie. He taught me how to create a website for as low as 2,000 naira. He's currently teaching people how to build a website from scratch without coding for free. Did you hear that? For free. He doesn't even know I'm doing this. His handle is Techie Brie on Instagram. I will attach his number and his Instagram handle on the screen, somewhere on the screen. So please check it out and take advantage of that. It teaches people how to create or how to build website from scratch without coding. You don't even need to have any experience in website thing. He taught me how to create websites. So please take advantage of that before the free class. So the number 3 thing I'll be talking about is ask your suppliers or the importers for shipping and delivery durations. Considering the pandemic and the interstate lockdown at the moment, most deliveries to most states now take longer time than usual. Within Lagos, it's usually 1 to 3 days. Most times, even within 24 hours, your customers get their product. But now it might take as long as 1 to 3 days. And for outside Lagos delivery, it takes as long as 3 to 7 days now. But very careful. Ask your importers or suppliers for shipping duration so you don't have issues with your customers, and also inform your customers that delivery to so state will take so duration. Do not have issues on deliveries with customers, and even for deliveries within Lagos or within the particular state, we only takes within a day to get their product. There's some days, even within Lagos deliveries, there are some days that some things happen there and they are way beyond your control. Since you're not on the road with a dispatcher, there's some days that they get arrested by policemen or faulty tires or accidents or something of such that they might not be able to get to your customer that day. So always make sure you follow up so that if there's any new developments, you'll be able to communicate with your customers on time. So please always make sure to follow up, and make sure you ask suppliers or importers for their shipping duration or delivery durations. You don't want to have issues with customers concerning delivery. Like I said earlier, some customers will embarrass you. So please take note of that. The 4th one I'll be talking about is being knowledgeable about the goods you will be drop shipping. Since you're not seeing those goods face to face, so you need to be very vast. You need to know what you're doing. Taking myself as an example, I won't buy products or a goods from a seller who can't answer my questions. You're not seeing this goods, so the best thing for you as a dropshipper is if you have to Google those products just to know how they works, or if any potential customer asks you for questions on those products, you don't want to start stammering or you don't know what to say. No one will take you serious. So please always make sure you're knowledgeable about the product you're selling. Since you're not seeing those goods face to face, make your research. Google if you have to, check videos online if you have to, just to have a full understanding of how those things work. In my early days in dropshipping for a net seller, a net importer, those foldable neck because I have never seen those nets in real life then. So I needed to know. Customers are always asking me, how do they unfold this thing, how do they fold it, and this thing has to be practical. I had to go on YouTube to check videos on how to fold and how to unfold those nets, so that when they ask me how to do those things, I can send a voice note describing how they can do this. I can send a full note on how to do that thing. So please, if you have to Google, if you have to check YouTube for videos, do that. Make your research, be vast, be knowledgeable on products you're selling. Let your customers know that you know what you're doing. So the next tip I'll be talking about is always show up on your business pages every day. Make it an habit of always showing up. It might not be every day, that might not be easy. Just choose those days that are convenient for you to always post and advertise. If you're not consistent, people won't take you serious. They will move on to the next seller that's serious about their business. You post today and you won't post for the rest of the week or the following months. No one will take you serious. So you need to be very serious about this. Always show up on your business pages, your Facebook page, your Instagram page, your website, your WhatsApp status and the likes. Always show up on these pages every time. You're just starting up, you're just building a brand. Give an impression that matters. Give an impression that you're a serious seller. Always show up on those platforms to advertise, to tell people about what you're doing. Put yourself in strategic places. Everywhere they turn to, let them see your product. Whenever they are thinking of getting through, the next person that comes to their head is you. So please always show up on those business platforms every day. It is very, very serious. It gives an impression about you. It gives an impression about your business. Then the next thing is having a separate debit or credit card for Facebook ads or Instagram ads. This thing happened. I'm sharing a personal experience. Just last week Friday, it happened to me. My card details got compromised, and the only explanation for that thing was that I used my business account, my business debit card for Facebook ads. That was the only explanation. That was where that leak came out. So when I spoke with a friend in business, she told me that it happened to her as well. So please have a separate debit card for Facebook and Instagram ads. My card details got compromised because I used my business debit card for Facebook ads. And imagine if that was your personal savings account. What will happen? Your money is gone. My details was used to purchase goods on wish.com, a site I have never at any point ordered or registered on. So if you do Facebook ads and Instagram ads, your card detail is at risk of being hacked on Facebook. So do not be tempted to use your personal debit card to do Facebook ads or Instagram ads online. Please, if you've been doing any of those, get a separate debit card for those purpose or for that purpose. Next thing is keep your customers happy with follow-up messages and mails. So for every deliveries or for every order you get, always make sure you follow up till that product or till that order gets to the end user, which is your customer. Please always make sure you follow up back to back till that good gets to your customer. Then after the customer gets their products or the goods they ordered for, always ask them for their feedback, for their review. It's very, very important. Either good or bad, they are so important. They are to keep you in check, to know how good or how far you've come. Always ask for reviews. Always know what your customer thinks about the service or the product you are selling out. You don't have to shy away from negative feedbacks. They are to help you know when you're lacking behind. They are to help you improve on your business. So it's very, very important. Either good or bad review, either positive or negative feedback. Those reviews are very, very, very important if you want to go far in dropshipping business. Tell the customers that you care about them and their reviews. It's very, very important, and that if they find your products useful, you will greatly appreciate referrals to their friends and families that might be interested in your goods. So please always follow up. Please always ask for their reviews and for their feedback. It is very, 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 very important. The next tip I'll be talking about is for each customer or for every customer that comes to you, always make sure that it does not end there. That doing business with that customer must not end there. After they must have bought from you, you've known their feedback or their reviews, please always check up on them. Just random messages, random mails, if you can get their mails, just to check up on them and know how they are doing. A routine checkup is very, very important. For each customer that patronizes you, do not let it end there. Always check up on them, always follow up, always check up just to know if they are still enjoying that product. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel just down there on the screen. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on new upload. And if you find this video useful, please like, comment and share this video. I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much for your support. And the links to my previous videos on my playlist will be in the description box below, and some will be attached to the screen up here or up here, so please check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Also, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Also, drop the next video ideas you would like to watch next on my channel. I will always listen to you. Thank you so much. So I will be waiting to connect with you in the comment section. I love you, love you, love you, love you. Unless I forget, happy Democracy Day. Thank you so much. I love you. Mwah.